Using Zoho Projects, your team can add timesheet records to project tasks. Before we begin, let's establish what navigation you are looking at. If your Zoho Projects navigation looks like this, you are using one.zoho.com. If your Zoho Projects navigation looks like this, you are using projects.zoho.com. You can see which version you are using in the URL at the top. Based on the navigation you are using, projects, tasks, and timesheets are accessible using the menu shown here. In this video, we are going to use one.zoho.com. In Zoho Projects, there are 3 methods to enter timesheets. Add timesheets under individual tasks or actions. Add timesheets using the start and stop clock. Use the weekly timesheet log. You can do this on your desktop or laptop or use the mobile application for Zoho Projects. This can be downloaded from the App Store. You can download the Zoho Projects mobile application. Let's begin with entering a timesheet into a project task. Click on the project and go to Tasks. When you hover over the task, the View button will appear. Click to open the task record. Scroll down till you see the tabs and click on Log Hours. In this task, there is 8 hours and 15 minutes of timesheet entries. Each timesheet is listed, including if the timesheet has been approved or rejected. Refer to the Approving Timesheets video for more information. To add a new timesheet, click on Add Time Log. The user at the top will default to your profile. You can change this if you have permission to enter timesheets on behalf of another user. Check the date matches what you need or the timesheet entry. Enter the timesheet hours into the daily log field. This can be entered as a decimal, like 1.5 or in hours and minutes format. Alternatively, you can enter the exact time, but click on Set Start and End Time. You can enter some timesheet notes to provide more information about the timesheet activity. In the billing type, select if the timesheet should be billable or non-billable. For contract work, this is usually billable. This means the value of the timesheet will be calculated and displayed in the job budget. The timesheet value is the income value. It does not change the contract value, but helps you to see how much revenue the job was worth based on the timesheets created. Choosing non-billable means the timesheet value will be 0. The timesheet type is used for due and charge jobs to generate invoices based on timesheet records. If this is not a due and charge job, select Contract Timesheet. If the project is not a client project, but a project created for internal tasks, then select the billable type as non-billable. Use internal timesheet under the type. Once you have completed the timesheet, click on Add. This demonstrates how to add a timesheet under a task. You can also enter timesheets under Project Actions. Click on Actions and open an action item. Scroll down to Log Hours and use Add Time Log from here. Instead of entering the timesheet record, you can also start and stop a clock on both actions and tasks. At the top, you will see a clock. If you have permission to log time on this task, you can click on the clock to start your timer. You can pause your timer at any stage and enter a note. To see your pause timers, go to Clock on the top bar. You can see your paused or running timers, or all timers for anyone you have permission to view. You can stop your timer from here or under the task. If you need to change tasks, try using the floating timer. This means you easily navigate around Zoho Projects and see your timer running. Click on the plus to open the timer records and stop your timesheet when ready. When you stop your time from here, the field will appear to complete the timesheet record. Now let's go to Timesheets in the main navigation. This displays all timesheets for all projects. If you use Add Time Log from here, you will be prompted to select the project first. Then you can select the task or action to log your timesheet against. Follow the same instructions as example 1. And now on to our third and final option for creating timesheets in Zoho Projects. Hover over the Add Time Log and select Weekly Time Log. In this screen, you can enter multiple timesheets for the current week or scroll through previous weeks. Select the project, user, and task or action you want to create the timesheet for. Enter the hours for each day. If you want to add a note to specify your start and end time, click on the icon and a pop-up will appear for more information. Finalize the process by choosing if the timesheet details are billable or not. If you need to split a timesheet between billable or non-billable, add another row for the non-billable hours. Under the ellipsis, update the timesheet type. Then click on Save to complete the timesheet records. That covers the 3 methods for creating timesheets with all the features and functions to make the process as easy and streamlined as possible. Once the timesheet is approved, it's synced to Zoho CRM. Watch the timesheet reports and approval process for more information.